Three, two, one, action.
Every interaction sets a tone and creates a feeling. Be careful to say please and thank you, and speak in a way that is friendly and helpful in building up trust and respect. Be careful not to use language or nicknames that could be disrespectful, offensive, or divisive.
Other way, action.
So why do we use respectful words?
We use respectful words to be kind, and when you don't use respectful words, it's bad. How can you stop people from using unkind words?
We can stop people from using unkind words by starting with telling them that it's hurting your feelings, because sometimes they don't even know that it's hurting your feelings. So you need to be able to tell them first. And then if that still doesn't work, just tell them to stop. And if that doesn't work, you need to get a teacher or some kind of adult to help you out with the situation.
Yeah.
Three, two, one, action.
Why do you use bad words?
Probably. Oh my gosh, I forgot.
Okay, we gotta stop.
Let's just go over it with that.
3, 2, 1, action.
Why shouldn't you use bad words?
It will probably hurt people's feelings.
Another thing is if you do that, it will ruin your reputation.